Hey, welcome to 5-Minute English. Today we will talk about Mr. Fantastic, one of the leaders of the Fantastic Four. This is part of our superhero series, so if you want to see more superhero English videos, please subscribe and check out the playlist. Mr. Fantastic is smart, brave, and has one of the most unusual powers in the Marvel universe. Let's learn how to describe him in English. Mr. Fantastic's real name is Reed Richards. He was a brilliant scientist who went into space with his friends. During the trip, cosmic rays hit their spaceship. These rays gave Reed and his team superpowers. From that day on, he became Mr. Fantastic. Mr. Fantastic's power is elasticity. What's that word? I'll say it again. Elasticity. His body can stretch like rubber. He can make his arms longer, shape his body into different forms, and even become very flat to squeeze under doors. His brain is also one of the greatest in Marvel. He is known for his intelligence and inventions. Let's practice verbs with Mr. Fantastic. Mr. Fantastic stretches his arms across the city. He creates machines to help the world. He leads the Fantastic Four. He solves difficult scientific problems. He fights villains using both his brain and his body. Reed Richards is not only a superhero, but also a husband and a father. He is married to Sue Storm, the Invisible Woman, and together they protect their family while also saving the world. He is respected by other heroes like Iron Man and Black Panther because of his great mind. Now let's practice adjectives to describe Mr. Fantastic's character. Mr. Fantastic is flexible. He is intelligent. He is also brave. Sometimes he is serious because he thinks about problems. Many people see him as a wise leader. Mr. Fantastic can fit through tiny spaces by stretching his body. He often works late at night in his laboratory. Other heroes sometimes ask for his advice. His inventions help humanity. Even though he is serious, he loves his family deeply. Wow, today we learned about Mr. Fantastic. We learned verbs to describe what he does, like stretches, creates, leads, solves, and fights. We also learned adjectives to describe his character, like flexible, intelligent, brave, serious, and wise. If you want to see more videos about superheroes, please check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching Caribou English. Good luck studying. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.